Hello guys, welcome to PHP Basics. Today I'll show you how to integrate PHP in HTML. So I will go a quick and easy way. So let's create an HTML. It will be pretty basic. So head, a title, and the body right here. And I want a div container. And inside my div I want an h1. H1 will be array of cars. Alright, and here I will have a ul li, which is bullets. Okay, so here I'll call it PHP Basics section 2.0. So I just want to go to my browser, see what happened. So perfect. Okay, so to create PHP inside the HTML, you can do it from anywhere. You can do it from the top, the bottom, inside the HTML, inside your style, everywhere. Okay, so I just want to do, I'm gonna create here an array of cars, because today I'll show you how to integrate an array and a loop inside your HTML. Array, and we'll have BMW, Toyota, Honda, Jaguar, Mercedes, and Ford. So these are the examples we'll do. And I want to create a variable called title because I want to show you something later. Title array of cars. Okay, so to get started, let's integrate how to show your array in bullets. Okay, so here what will happen, let's remove the li. Keep it in mind that you need an li. So I want to open a PHP tag. Alright, and I want a loop. So I want a for loop or a for each loop, doesn't matter, we can do a for each loop, much easier, as values. So we just need the values of cars, and I want to echo first, don't forget it's an li, and I want to echo value. So if I go back to my browser, refresh, it will echo BMW, Toyota, Honda, Jaguar, Mercedes, Ford. So it will echo everything in this array. Another way to do it, but it's a bit harder, I prefer this way, it's much easier. But you can do a for loop, I is equal to 0 and I is less. You need to specify your array, the length of your array, that means how many values that you have, because you're saying less than this. So now the for loop doesn't know what is the count of this, you know what I mean? So now you need the count of cars. You can use also size of. So this is a good example to practice. So I want to echo cars, but you need to specify the index. So it's gonna loop every time in each one of the index. So the index is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you know what I mean? So I'll go through that, and don't forget you need li. So it's pretty much the same thing, but the other way it's much easier and more clean. So offset of less not equal right here. So you have the same result, but it's better the other way because it's much easier. So now what happened is you just put a PHP code inside your HTML, and this is a basic one. I just want to create another variable called color, and this one will be red. Okay, so I want to show you now the container, which is the div that we have. Go back to your browser. So if you press on this, you see that we have a div.container. So this is the container that we have, which is this div right here, all of this. And so I want to show you. So now this is CSS. So color, I want to change the color of all the text, not so everything inside the div, the color will be changed. So I can put a PHP. So PHP echo color, because we have declared we declared our variable here colored, which is red. So echo red. So what happened here is you have echoed red. So if you want, you can go in your right here. Oh, come on. Okay. So you see element.style, it color red. Now another way to do it, in my H1 I can do a PHP echo title. And you know what? I don't want the title to be uppercase like here, so I want it to be lowercase. So str to lowercase. So you can see the difference, because before we had it in uppercase. So you see now we have echoed a PHP code. So this is PHP. So every time you want to use PHP inside HTML, you need to open and close your tags of PHP and put the codes that you want. I can do here actually I can do it right here. So I want to show you another way you can do is I want to echo an alert, which is a script of JavaScript. So my alert will be hello, and then I'm gonna close my script, and now go back to my browser. When I refresh, oh sorry, give me a second here, I did something wrong. Alright, so now you see, now this is what happened. So here I'm executing in a JavaScript code in my PHP and in my HTML, which is alert hello world. So there's so many ways to do things with PHP, and this is one of a good example that I showed you. It's an easy way, but the more you practice, the more you're gonna learn so many things and so much stuff, and you'll become an expert. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any comment, or if you need more specification or more details, please don't forget to comment, or you can send me a private message. Alright, thank you very much for watching.